Hello everyone. A call to action. Uniting for a sustainable future. Fellow global citizens, organizations, and leaders, we stand at critical juncture in human history. The Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, provide a blueprint for a better world where no one is left behind. But we must act now. The SDGs are not just a set of goals. They are a promise to ourselves, our children, and the future of our planet. They are a call to action, urging us to work together to end poverty and hunger, protect the planet and its resources, ensure quality education and health care, promote equality, justice, and human rights. But we cannot achieve these goals alone. We need cooperation, collaboration, and collective action. We need governments, businesses, civil society, and individuals to work together, sharing knowledge, resources, and expertise. The benefits of cooperation are clear. Accelerated progress towards the SDGs. Accelerated progress towards the SDGs increase efficiency and effectiveness, enhance innovation and problem-solving, stronger, more resilient communities. So let us unite in our pursuit of our sustainable future. Let us put aside our differences and work towards a common goal. To organizations and leaders around the world, I urge you, commit to the SDGs and integrate them into your strategies and operations. Collaborate with other organizations, governments, and stakeholders to leverage resources and expertise. Support and manpower local communities, ensuring that no one is left behind. Together, we can achieve greatness. Together, we can create a world that is just, equitable, and sustainable for all. Let us rise to the challenge. Let us unite for a sustainable future. Hashtag SDGs. Hashtag global cooperation. Hashtag sustainability. Hashtag united for 2030. I thank you.